All right, how you guys doing? It's me, Aaron Fantasy, back once again. How you doing? Welcome to the Get Your Juju channel. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Be for all things black metaphysical, gay metaphysical, because you know I'm gay and I'm manifesting things. And thanks to this here, stay tuned for the white candle. Well, there's some different purposes for white candles, and I manifested some white candles. So Spirit told me to go ahead and give you guys that video. So I'm gonna do what Spirit says, because I manifested something with just a white candle. People be like, oh, white candle, add this to stuff, but honey, ooh. So I'm gonna do that video. So stay tuned for that. So we got New Year's coming up. And I hope you guys are getting ready. You clean up your houses, you getting ready. And I got my things ready for. I already got the money. I had the money going. They done burnt out. Okay, I had the money going. Now I got this here. Spirit told me to get some good luck and everything. I was looking for a blockbuster, but apparently I didn't need it because I didn't see it. But anywho, so this is cleansing your candles. You have to. People have their energy and their auras all on their candles, and it's in a store. Okay, so it was like in a dollar store, or you can get it from Botanicas and stuff like that. But they pick up these candles and put them down, so you need to cleanse your candles and stuff like that. So this is how I cleanse up my candles, honey. I just get some Florida water, any type of Florida water. Okay, honey, this is like a cologne and everything. It got a sexy man on here. So my gaze right here, honey. Yes, God. Yes, God. But anywho, this is a track that you can take. This is specific for me, okay? But any type of colognes or Florida water and everything. And normally I just dab it on my fingers and everything. My battery low, so I have to run this kind of quickly. Normally I just dab it on my fingers. Oh, this is the ingredients. The cologne. You can use some wipes if you want to. Or you can use this. Oh, I use the incense. And this particular incense, we want a lot of luck for the new year. Okay, honey. We want a lot of luck for new year. Okay, 2022, we're gonna have a lot of luck. So this is the incense I'm using. And I just used the incense instead of using sage. Because Spirit, I never used this, and then it was sitting on a table and it said you could put this on a video. So if a viewer wants to use sage, you can use sage. But all I do is, number one, let's go do it in order. I just take it and just rub my hands on it. Thank you. That all people's energy is negative energy is removed from the canvas. Do that. Just massage it liberally. Or you can take a wipe and wipe your candles like that. Put a little oil. That's why I don't do this, because you're probably gonna waste a lot of oil doing that. You're gonna waste a lot of the cologne doing that. You can do that like that too. All right, and then also how I cleanse the candles is I take it and I just swirl the candles over the incense. Let me show you what I'm doing. Over the incense, or if you want to, over your sage. Okay, you can sage your things, but it takes a long time to light and shit. So I just do it simple like this and just say, all negativity, all stuff is removed from the candle. Okay, honey. And it's smoking and everything. You just got a lot of light here, and just all negativity is removed and everything of the sort. All negativity is removed. This is what I like to do. Just remove all those negative energies from the candle. Okay? Move all negative energy from the candle. And then sometimes take the finger right here and make sure you get the top of this. And just, I just like to just point and dab it on, Okay? So that's it. I did it under 5 minutes. So you just take the oil, number one, let me go run this down and everything. You just take it and put the cologne all over the candle. And then you take the incense, okay, and you just do that right there. Okay, and that's how you cleanse your candles of all the energies of other people, because other people be picking them up and stuff like that, and you don't want all those energies in your spell work. So and everything, and this is what I do. Okay, and stay tuned for the white candle thing. That's gonna be really good, because everybody got it just sit up there with it. I manifested some with this white candle, honey, and it worked. And Spirit said, I always do that for you, Spirit, because I manifested something with it. Okay. It was big too. I was dealing with it and I manifested something. So Spirit's like, you need to get them together, and it needs to be correct. So, and no one's talking about it, so I'm gonna talk about it. So stay tuned for that video. Anywho, so that's how you cleanse your candles and stuff like that. Sorry it was a little all over the place, and sorry it was quick, okay? But cleanse your candles of negative energies and stuff like that. Just want to put that out there in the universe. Go ahead and share the video, hit the like button if you enjoyed this.